It's been a long time. We both fight the same fight, and I'm tired. I looked for you in Paris. The lights were too bright. Streets that promised me romance, you were nowhere in sight. You looked for me in New York, couldn't see through the smoke. You've been walking for miles, 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 without any hope.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, you'll be spending a whole day with me. In all I'll be doing today, I have some errands to run, which I'll be taking you guys along with me. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Trinavek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please stay. Happy new month guys, happy new month, happy new month. May this month bring us amazing things in our life. This is the September of grace, September of improvement, increase in all we do. May our handwork be established. May we establish all our heart desires. Yeah, so just a small prayer. I pray that this September bear fruit for amazing explore and audio goodies that our Lord Jesus Christ made for us. Yeah, so thank you all so much for all the loves. I really do appreciate. Don't forget to join my membership. Don't forget to super chat me. Don't forget to like our video and share and subscribe. Yes. Mama, what do you have to say? Happy new month, G. She just woke up for sleep. I finished giving her breakfast. She's eating popcorn. Papa did popcorn for us. Yeah, so I will get ready. I want to do some our monthly shopping. Today is 1st of September. Yeah, so I don't know. She always squeeze my boobs. Yeah, which child does that? She has grown up, but it's her normal thing. So if I carry her, she'll be squeezing my boobs. Anyway, I want to go and give her a bath, then we'll start going to go and do our monthly shopping. Yeah guys, so please keep watching. I made her hair, but like that I'm going to lose this hair. I made the hair. I was insert a picture of when I made the hair. It looked like. Maybe I'll make another one for her. I don't know. See, she has grabbed the boobs again. Like these boobs don't. It has suffered in her hand. Yeah, so we don't have light. They've taken the light, and they don't want to on the chain. So we are without lights. So guys, I decided to lose baby girl's hair so that I can wash it for her because the hair is already losing and is kind of old. I think I made this hair 3 days ago, or yeah, 3 days ago. Yeah, I think I made it 3 days ago, so they're really looking old already. So I just want to lose it and comb it out and wash it as she's going to go and take her.
I'm afraid of the night, and I'm tired. We both put our hearts across the line that was drawn, and now we're intertwined.
So fam, this is her hair. I'm so excited that her hair is growing. Like, it's still a bit scanty, but it's still growing small. So love, it's time for her to shower. I'll be using her baby soap to wash her hair and also her body because the baby soap I'm using is a Dove and is a head to toe
baby soap, so it's good for her hair and for her body as well. Yeah, so this is the soap I'm using for her. It's a sensitive skin care and dress. She does not react to this, so I love this smell. This smells so nice and so divine. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using to bath baby girl.
Was this scatter the hair I just made for you? Eh? Don't scatter your hair. Oh my god. Wow.
I see you dancing with your ghosts. You're the missing piece of my soul. I know it scares you to come out of the shadows, but I'll hold your hand and I won't let you go. Walking there along the beach, waters I have never seen. Scream secrets.
Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the shopping center.
On your home screen.
So loves, we are on our way now to do our shopping. So just tag along, enjoying the music, enjoying the views, and let's.
So guys, let me check something. This thing, bed sheet for kids.
Sure.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let me see the ones here.
Let's go to our next shop. Start to see the right.
You won't make hide with me. And in that photo booth we captured, you're a dream of 5 and knew it.
Hello, good afternoon. I want to get kids bed sheets. Yeah, for babies. Yeah, for her.
So guys, I came here to get bed spread for baby girl's room, and after this I left them sewing it. Then I came to the shop to get few stuff in this particular shop before I go back to them and get my baby's bed spread. Yeah.
And it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause I won't you be my Valentine?
So when I got there, they're still sewing it, like trying to finish the finishing touch to the bed sheet, and this is what it looks like. They're just folding it for me and all. I love this pink stuff. Yeah, so a video of me changing that. I want to change her room a little bit, like change where the bed is and the rest, because that my daughter knows how to climb a lot. So I want to change it, and I'll be also be spraying this in the bed when I change the location of her bed. So keep in mind for that video. So right here I'm in the shopping mall. Want to start doing our monthly shopping. So guys, I won't talk too much, I'll just play music. Please keep on enjoying the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in there.
Getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause I won't you be my Valentine? Won't you come on over later? like honey. Cause I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. Cause won't you be my Valentine?
It's been a long time. We both fight the same fight, and I'm tired. Turn on the light. I'm afraid of the night, and I'm tired.
No, I need cheese. This is already. Can you slice for me? Yeah, mozzarella. One of 2,000. Ginger, jollof rice, curry. Yeah, can you take this black pepper, sir? This black pepper.
I understand that love is pain.
What else?
I'll hold you close into the ache, 'cause
Yeah, baby.
always want you. We roll down roaring fields. Tell me, is this real? Stand in my doorway.
You want apple?
I'll keep you secret if you want, baby.
You want apple? Apple. Apple.
I see you dancing
Apple.
with your ghost. You're the missing piece of my soul. I know it scares you to come out of the shadows, but I'll hold your hand and won't let you go. Walking there along the beach,
Open the boot.
waters I have never seen. Scream your secrets to the breeze. I'm the picture on your home screen. We roll down rolling fields. Tell me, is this real? Stand in my doorway, call out to me. I'll keep you a secret if you want, baby. We stand in, twisting my
So far, I'm back home. Oh god, I'm tired, like really tired. So I'm gonna have lunch, and the unboxing of this grocery haul will come up on a separate vlog because I don't want the vlog to be too long. Yeah, so check out for that vlog. So let's have lunch. I'll be having yam and egg sauce. I made that yesterday, so I'll just be having it today because I'm very hungry. I'm already shaking. So if you're watching this instead and you have not subscribed, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, let's keep on watching. I want to make 2 food for baby girl. She wants to eat cornflakes. Yeah. So let's go.
You looked for me in New York, couldn't see through the smoke. You've been walking for miles, 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 without any hope. Got this feeling.
So loves, when I was done eating and baby has already messed up the whole parlor, yes, I had to tidy this up. Like I tidy up my parlor like 2 times, sometimes even 3 times in a day, because if you give her maybe like biscuit or something, she'll sit on the chair and spoil it everywhere, the floor I have to sweep it just not to get ants and the rest all over the house. Yeah, so this is what I will be doing. I'll just be cleaning the house. I did the cleaning early in the morning. I didn't vlog that early in the morning section. So right now we came back, ate, and everywhere is scattered. So I'm just going to be tidying up the house for the second time. Yeah, so please keep on watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, the grocery haul, I'm going to do a separate video, as I said earlier on, for that, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll do a separate video. Please check out for that video to know how much we spent and everything we bought.
We're rewriting every story we read since we were young. Now we're both undone. Moonlight over oceans, let's meet on the island halfway. Sunset, roses, dancing under the rain. All the people are far and it's warm in the dark. The silence won't call our name. Moonlight over oceans, let's meet on the island halfway. Let's meet on the island halfway. Let's meet on the island dancing on the rain. Sunsets rolling, dancing on the rain. Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. He called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised him I'd stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river in my head. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my hopes. And now the vagabond lost herself to love. Oh, my lonely soul. And now I'm watching as he moves on toward the road. And I just wander through this empty town alone. Broken little dreamer, born to roam.
So guys, I am done, tired and all, so I will just relax. I'm done unboxing the grocery haul. Please do well to check that video out. I finished eating, I've done the unboxing of the grocery haul, so please do well to check that video out. Okay, so when that thing comes up, you watch it, but if it does not come up again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright, so I'll see you in my next one.